Hello again. Question 8. Ms. Garcia found this mass in lab work 2.05. Please help her convert it to fraction. So now we are converting. We have that number which is 2 and 500. So that says we have a whole part. The whole part is this 2. So I will put that 2 here, and then we know that we're changing to fraction. That must be a fraction. So as the fraction, we know that we have 5 hundredths. So we put the 1 under the point. 2 places behind the decimal, we have 100 on the bottom. And then we have the 2 and the 5 hundredths. So the only job we need to do is simplify. 5 hundredths, what should we simplify? We divide by 5, divide by 5. The answer is 2 and 1/20. Now, next question. When traveled to Houston, Ms. Caruana used 7/8 of a tank of gasoline. Which decimal and percent represents this amount? So let's take a look of this fraction, which is 7/8. So now we want to change it into decimal and percent. So first do the division to change the 7/8 to a decimal. 7/8. So 8 into 7, 0 times, and then put a 0. 8 into 70, 8 times. 8 times 8, 64, minus, we get 6. Not enough, we put another 0, drop it down. So 8 into 60, 7 times 8, 56. Do the subtraction, 4, not enough, another 0, drop it down, 0. So now 8 into 40, 5 times. So 5 times 8, 40, and my decimal is 0 and 875. So that is a just a division, and then this one should be easy, but I found in the test most of the mistake is because of your multiplication chart. So please, if you have time, go ahead, do your multiplication chart, form it again and then again and again, please. Thank you. Now let's look at the percent, how to change it into percent, and this time I'm using blue. So to change a decimal to a percent, we still start from here. So any number divided by 1 is that number itself, and then we wanted to change the denominator into 100. So we're going to do multiply 100. And now we have no problem. 1 times 100 is 100. And we multiply by 100. As a decimal, what do? We move the decimal point once, twice. So that's the place we should have our decimal point. So that we will have our numerator becomes 87 and 5/10. So now let's see, this per hundreds will become the percent symbol, and then the decimal, the percent number is 87 and 5/10. So that's the end of this question.